In this episode of Bobscaping, we're back to revisit the crimson barberry that we rejuvenated nearly 2 years ago. That was done midsummer, and as I pointed out in that video, it's better to do your rejuvenation heavy cuts in the spring. So here we're taking another look at this barberry, which you probably never know it was cut back. It's not quite as red as it would be if it was in full sun. This gets considerable amount of shade in this setting here, and of course the more shade with many plants, the less color you'll have. But so there it is. It's looking good. And for this episode of Bobscaping, this is Bob.